Hello there YouTubers, today I'm going to show you how to draw a very easy pickup truck. You need a sketchbook, pencil eraser and a bunch of color pencils. So let's get started. First we just have to draw it light so it will be easy to rub out. So draw it like this. Then draw it over here, here. And this is door. These are the lights. And over here, so let's draw the rims. Like this. So it's over. The normal pencil part is over. So keep your normal pencil aside. Take your black pencil and just shade it and outline it. Remember, you should not outline all these on the windows, so it won't look nice. So just put an antenna down over here, one over here, here again, then over here. So the outlining part is over. So keep your black. It's a coloring time. So keep your black pencil aside. You can use your own colors, but I'm using mine. So I'm taking light blue, coloring this part lightly. This part is over. Then I'm taking my yellow. And coloring the lights. Then I'm taking my green and coloring this part over here. This one and this one. Like this. This part is over. I'm taking my orange and coloring this one. Now the backlight, so I'm taking my red. Red and orange. And my red and orange over here. Orange over here. Let the middle be. Then the rim. I'm taking this one. I'm going to do it like this. This one. That's it also. Take my orange. This one. This one. Then my dark blue. I'm taking my dark blue. So your car is ready. Thank you.